In this sort, you will be sorting words that have the short I, in the middle. You'll have the IG, ig family, ILL, ill family, and IP, ip family. Looking at our pieces, this is a picture of zip in the word zip. This is a picture of a girl, and her name is Jill. This is a picture of Jill. This is a picture of a sill. The sill is the bottom part of a window. This is a picture of a pig and the word pig. This is a picture of rip. This is a picture of a mill, and a mill is like a factory. This is a picture of dig. The dog is representing digging a hole. This is a picture of a wig, and last is a picture of a lip. Zip, I hear the IP, ip at the end. Jill, I hear the ill, so it goes in the ILL family. Dig, I hear ig at the end, which puts it in the IG group. Sill, I hear that ill, so it goes in the ILL group. Wig, I hear the ig, so it goes in the IG group. Lip, I hear the ip, so it goes in the IP family. Pig, I hear the ig, so it goes in the IG family. Mill, I hear ill, so it goes in the ILL family. And last is rip, I hear the ip, so it goes in the IP family. So in the IG family, we have dig, wig, pig. In the ILL family, we have Jill, sill, and mill. In the IP ip family, we have zip, lip, and rip.